Welcome to English Speak Podcast.
Learn with English Podcast Corner.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Everyday English with Tom and Jemmye.
Ways, hi friends, how are you all doing today?
We're so happy you're here. If you're new to our channel, welcome to our little English family.
Yeah, every week we sit down, chat about real life topics, and help you learn English the natural way, just like how real Americans talk.
And today's topic, this one's so important.
Oh yeah, it's something you need every time you meet someone new.
Exactly. Today we're learning how to introduce yourself in English, naturally, confidently, and without sounding like a robot.
Yeah, please no robots. We're going to make it sound warm and real.
Definitely. And before we start, if you'd like to read this full script, we made a free PDF version for you. It's in the description below.
Yeah, it's great for practice. You can download it, read along, or print it out to study later.
All right, ready to begin?
Let's dive in.
So, Jemmye, how's your morning going?
Pretty good. I had my coffee, did some yoga, and now I'm excited to talk about today's topic.
Nice. I'm on my second cup of coffee already.
Only your second? That's low for you.
Yeah, I'm trying to be healthy.
Good luck with that.
Thanks. Anyway, I was thinking about how weird it can be to introduce yourself in a new language.
Oh yeah, it can be stressful, right? You want to sound friendly, but you're also nervous about saying something wrong.
Exactly. And sometimes people memorize one sentence, like, "Hello, my name is Tom," but they don't know what to say next.
Yes, so today, let's teach everyone how to actually introduce themselves like a real person, step by step.
Sounds perfect.
Okay, let's start with the most basic part, your name.
Right. So you can say, "Hi, I'm Tom." That's short, friendly, and natural.
You can also say, hello, I'm Jemmye. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. And you don't have to say your full name. Just your first name is fine in most casual situations.
Exactly. We usually only use our full names at job interviews or on official forms, not in normal conversation.
Imagine if I said, "Hello, my name is Thomas Benjamin Anderson III."
Oh wow, that sounds like a prince introducing himself.
Yeah, no one talks like that at a coffee shop.
So if you're meeting someone for the first time, just smile and say, hi, I'm your name. Nice to meet you.
Let's show an example.
Smiling, friendly tone. Hi, I'm Jemmye.
Hey, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Turns to camera.
See? That's it. Easy, short, and friendly.
You don't need to use big words. Just smile, speak slowly, and be kind.
Okay, after names, the next question is usually, where are you from?
Yep, that one comes up all the time.
So, how do you answer that naturally?
Simple. I'm from your country.
Or you can add a little detail. I'm from Thailand. It's a beautiful country in Asia.
Exactly. That gives the other person something to talk about.
Like if I said, I'm from Oregon, in the northwest of the U.S. It rains a lot, but it's really green.
Yeah, you always talk about the rain.
I love the rain. It's my personality.
That's true.
And for me, I'd say, I'm from Louisiana in the south of the U.S. It's hot, but the food is amazing.
Oh yeah, Louisiana food is famous. Spicy, flavorful, delicious.
Mm-hmm.
So, learners, you can make your answer more interesting by adding something about your home. Weather, food, culture, or people.
Like, I'm from Japan. It's known for sushi and cherry blossoms. Or, I'm from Brazil. We have great beaches. Or, I'm from Egypt. It's famous for the pyramids.
Those are great examples. And if you moved, you can say, I'm originally from India, but I live in Canada now.
Perfect. So, Jemmye, where are you from?
I'm from Louisiana, down in the sun of the U.S. It's warm almost all year.
Oh, nice. I've been there once. Amazing seafood.
Oh yeah, we love seafood. What about you, Tom?
I'm from Oregon in the Northwest. It's rainy, but really peaceful.
Sounds nice.
See? Just a short chat, and you're already learning about each other.
So after where are you from, people usually ask, what do you do?
Yeah, meaning your job or what you spend most of your time doing.
So how do you answer that?
I usually say, I'm an English teacher, or I teach English online.
And if you're a student, you can say, I'm a student, or I study English.
Exactly. Or I study computer science, I study medicine, etc.
And if you don't have a job right now, that's okay too. You can say, I'm looking for a job, or I'm between jobs.
Right. Or if you're retired, you can say, I'm retired. I used to be a nurse.
That's a polite and clear way to say it.
You can also add what you like about your job. I'm a teacher. I love helping people learn new things.
Or, I'm a chef. I love creating new dishes. So, Tom, what do you do?
I'm an English teacher. I help people learn how to speak naturally.
That's cool. You're really good at it.
Thanks. What about you?
I also teach English online. I love helping beginners feel confident.
Nice. We're both teachers. No wonder we talk so much.
True. Teachers never stop talking.
Okay, next is hobbies.
Yeah, this part makes introductions fun. It's where people start to connect.
You can say, I like activity, or I love activity.
Or, in my free time, verb. For example, in my free time, I read books.
For me, I'd say, I love hiking and playing guitar.
Yeah, you're always outdoors or playing music.
True. And you, Jemmye?
I love cooking and reading. I try into recipes every weekend.
You once told me you made pasta from scratch.
Yep. It took 3 hours, but it was totally worth it.
That's dedication.
Smiling. So, learners, just pick 1 or 2 things you really enjoy doing and share them.
What do you like to do in your free time, Jemmye?
I love cooking, especially Italian food. I also enjoy reading mystery novels.
Oh, like detective stories.
Yeah, I like trying to guess who did it before the end.
That's cool. You'd make a great detective.
Thanks. What about you?
I like hiking. It helps me relax.
That's great. Nature always helps clear your mind.
Exactly.
So, once you've said your name, where you're from, what you do, and what you like, you can add something personal.
Yeah, something that shows your personality or makes people smile.
Like, I love cats, or I can't live without coffee.
That's definitely you.
Yep, I drink 3 cups every morning.
Only 3? You're getting soft.
True. Okay, what's your fun fact, Tom?
I collect guitars. I have 8 of them.
8? That's a small music shop.
Yeah, I know. It's an obsession.
That's a great fun fact. It makes people remember you.
Exactly. It's not about being perfect. It's about being you. So, how do you finish your introduction?
You can say something polite and friendly like, "Nice to meet you," or "It's great meeting you."
Or, I'm happy to be here, if it's a group or a class.
Yes, or "I'm looking forward to working with you," in a professional situation.
That's perfect for work.
And don't forget to smile. It makes everything sound warmer.
All right, let's put it all together. I'll go first.
Okay, go for it.
Hey, I'm Tom. I'm from Oregon, in the U.S. I'm an English teacher, and I love hiking and playing guitar. I'm a big coffee lover, too. Nice to meet you.
That's perfect. Short, warm, and real.
Your turn.
Hi, I'm Jemmye. I'm from Louisiana and the south of the U.S. I teach English online, and I love cooking and reading. I'm also a big fan of Italian food. Nice to meet you.
That's awesome.
Thanks.
Now it's your turn, friends.
Yeah, we want you to practice out loud.
Say it slowly, like this. My name is blank. I'm from blank. I'm a blank. I like blank.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. The goal is to get comfortable speaking.
Right. English is about connection, not perfection.
Ooh, that's a good quote.
I'll put that on the t-shirt.
Let's share a few quick tips before we finish.
Sure. Tip number 1, smile when you talk.
Smiling makes your voice sound warm and friendly, even on the phone.
Tip number 2, make eye contact. It shows confidence.
Tip 3, don't speak too fast. Slow and clear is always better.
Tip 4, ask questions back, like, what about you?
Yeah, that keeps the conversation going.
And tip 5, be yourself. People remember your energy, not your grammar.
Amen to that.
You know, Jemmye, I think introductions are more than just words.
Yeah, they're the first step to making a connection.
Exactly. When you introduce yourself, you're saying, hey, this is me. Nice to meet you.
It's brave too, especially in another language.
So true. I really respect our viewers who are learning English.
Same. It takes courage to speak, even when you're not perfect.
But every time you try, you get a little better.
So everyone watching, keep practicing your introduction. Say it in front of a mirror. Say it to your friends. Say it to your cat.
Yeah, your cat won't judge your grammar.
Exactly.
All right, friends, that's it for today's episode, How to Introduce Yourself in English.
We hope you learned something new and feel more confident now.
And don't forget, the PDF of this full script is in the description below.
You can use it to practice, read along, and study new phrases.
And if you liked today's conversation,
Give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy English videos every week.
thanks for learning with us today.
We're proud of you.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.